What's up guys, Aaron from Great Lakes RC out in the backyard for the first time with the KCRC ramp. Sun's on the Syncro 4, and this is my new refreshed hybrid. I'm calling it basically my Kraton 4S hybrid. I did a community post on this and somebody asked me why you calling it a Kraton 4S, because nothing about it is 4S except for the body. I mean, you look at it, you see the body, Kraton 4S, which these bodies are super tough, by the way. So basically, it's an Outcast EXB chassis, and then I've put Mojave arms on it, and then I had to mock up some Fireteam towers. This is a normal tower. This one in the back, I had to cut it way down because these shocks are still Talion shocks. And then I put some wheel extenders on there. I think they're plus 10s because these are Talion hubs. And then these are some 2.8 Jetko King Cobra tires. There was a different tire I was trying to get, and I actually ordered it. I can't remember the name of it, but they sent me these because these are just a straight 2.8 and they're belted. The ones I were looking for were the ones that you use on the Traxxas Max. But they sent me these. It looks all right. So this is a little bit longer than an Outcast 4S, but it's a little bit narrower than an Outcast 4S. So I was driving it with wide arms for quite a bit, and I wanted to change it up. And when the Kraton 4S came out, I really wanted a Kraton 4S, but I've kind of run out of room for everything, so I just made one. Oh my gosh, that was perfect! That was perfect! Wow! That was perfect!
That was a good job!
That was amazing, dude! Okay. Yeah, do it. Wow, amazing. All right, let's do a quick speed run. I'll be right there, bud. Whoa, stood right up. Well, that's got a cool sound to it. Wow. I guess belted tires don't matter that much. I thought belted tires, it wouldn't stand up. It stood up. All right, now let's see how it does in the grass. Yeah, I'm gonna do that eventually. Here, let's compare the two in size. Why don't you park next to me? Yeah, similar size. Woo, that's nice. Nice. Hey, member over here. Hey, member right over here. This is where we stand at home. Standing up. Kraton 4S. Oh no, into the house. Oh, I missed the house barely. That was almost bad. Almost bad. Nope. Not gonna have enough for a backflip. You go first. Oh, perfect. All right, I'm going. Stay there. Oh, sideways lander. We gotta try that again. Stay there. Stay where you are. Oh, what? What did I do? Hit the side. Oh, hang on. Oh, that grip tape. I don't know. I don't think grip tape's the way to go on this ramp.
Daddy, I landed over top.
All right, should we try some different heights? Let's try some different heights. You want to go up one more or down one?
Up one more.
All right, let's go up one more. Go ahead. Brake, gas. Oh, that's the hard part, is the correction.
Yeah. Oh, Dada, I'm not jumping.
Oh yeah, it did break, didn't it?
Yeah.
Over there. Okay, Team Co Rally. Let's go see what we broke. You nose darted it pretty hard.
Yeah, I know that. What just happened?
Try to hit the... Okay, stop. What in the world? It's gonna be hard to show on camera, but the Arrma bar just collapsed. Bent. So the steering post. So this car is definitely down for a bit, which is unfortunate. So yeah, that Arrma bar just bent like a pretzel. Very badly. So I gotta pull this car apart. Motor's getting a little bit warm.
I'm not going to drive that car.
Ooh, that barely got around.
I'm not going to drive that car.
Soon, very soon, I want to do a couple jumps. Watch out. That's not what I wanted.
Oh, plastic!
All right, we got to change the ramp. It doesn't work like that. All right, so the higher setting doesn't really work good. All right, now we're down on the second to lowest, which seems to launch these the best, really. That was a nice launch. When you put it up too high, it just wants to backflip them. Not enough to backflip it on 4S. That might have backflipped. That was a nice launch. I like this combo. This thing would be an animal on 6S. Might have to try it. Watch out. Don't hit me. All right, I'm gonna try to mess with the ramp again. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay. Let's see how this setting works. I know I won't be able to hit it fast. See, this ramp is really short and stubby when you... Yeah, see, I don't know. I don't like that. It's not that exciting. That was cool.
Yeah, look. It's not heavy. I can do this with it. I'm driving it. It's really dangerous, so you can't touch it. And it was behind.
That was cool. Automatic backflips, second highest setting. Let's see what I can do here. Oh, that was cool. All right, I'm gonna give it one more launch and then end the video. What? Stay there. All right. Kraton 4S hybrid. I like it. I think it's a nice refresh. compared to what I had with the long arms, the kind of lowered out cast style. This is kind of something that they don't really make, this size. But I like these tires. These are nice little tires. All right. Catch you next time.